the start of my bunny blanket, I'm going to start off by making the head. And to make the head, I'm using a 4mm hook. I'm using double knit yarn in lilac. And I'm going to start by making a magic circle. Now, to make a magic circle, you wrap the wool around your fingers. You wrap the wool around your fingers again and cross it over. Take your hook, put it through the two pieces of wool, and put your hook down and through the loop. Then chain 1. And into the circle, I'm going to do 12 half double crochets. Now, to do a half double crochet, wrap your wool around your hook, insert it in through the loop, wrap your wool around your hook again and pull the wool up. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. So again, wrap your wool around your hook, insert it into the circle, wrap your wool around your hook again and pull it through. Wrap your wool around your hook again and pull it through all 3 hoop loops on your hook. And I'm going to do another 10 half double crochets into the magic circle. 9, 10, 11, and 12. And then I'm just going to pull this piece of wool here to tighten it. And I'm going to slip stitch to the top of my first half double crochet in the round and pull the wool through. Now, for my second round, I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to do 2 half doubles into each stitch. So into the first stitch, I'm going to do 2 half doubles, 1, 2, and into the next stitch, I'm going to do 2 half doubles, 1, 2, and I'm going to continue in the same pattern the whole way around of the second round. So that's 2 half doubles in each stitch, right around, and you will end up with 24 half double crochets in the round. 23 and 24. And again, I'm going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet in the round. For round 3, chain 1, do 2 half doubles in the first stitch, 1, 2, and 1 half double in the next stitch. 2 half in the next stitch, and 1 in the next stitch. So 2 into one stitch, 1 into the next stitch, the whole way around. 35 and 36. You should have 36 half double crochets in your third round. Now, when you get to the end of round 3, that's all the increasing that's going to be done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. I'm going to continue in the rounds until the head of my bunny starts to become like a ball shape. So that's 1 half double crochet in each stitch around without increasing. Whoops. And when I get to the end of each round, I'm going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet and go on to the next round. And starting each round with a chain 1. So I'm just coming up to the last 3 half double crochets, and I did 6 rounds, so 9 altogether. So I did 3 rounds of increasing and 6 rounds of going round 1 half double crochet in each round. And now we're going to decrease. So to start decreasing, chain 1, and you're going to do a half double decrease in the first 2 stitches. To do this, wrap your wool around your hook and put it through the chain. Wrap your wool around the hook and pull it up, like so. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through 2 chains, leaving 2 chains on your hook. Now wrap your wool around your hook and go through the next stitch. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through 2 stitches, and you should have 3 stitches left on your hook. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through all 3 stitches, and that is how you do a half double decrease. Now 1 half double in the next stitch, and you're going to do a half double decrease in the next stitch. So wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through, wool, pull it up and pull your wool through 2 loops only, leaving 2 stitches on your hook. Wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through the next stitch, wrap it round and pull it up, wrap it round again and pull it through 2 stitches, so you should have 3 stitches left on your hook, and wrap your wool around your hook and pull it through. And then do 1 half double crochet. So you're decreasing in 2 and doing 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to do that right around. For the next round, for the next round, you're going to chain 1. And at this stage, if you wish to put your bunny's face on, what I do for the bunny's face is I put an eye here and here, and I do a little nose. I embroider it on with wool and a darning needle. And for this row, I'm going to decrease in every 2 stitches, 2 stitches together. So half double crochet, decrease the whole way around, and you should be left with 12 stitches at the end of the round. So that's 1, 2, and onto your last decrease, 12. And like every other round, slip stitch to the top, the beginning of the round. Pull your wool through. Now at this stage, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to break off a length of yarn, like so. And I'm going to pull that thread through like that, and I'm going to stuff the head with stuffing. And then what you do is you get a darning needle and you sew it up and pull it tight, and you will be left with your bunny's head. And that's how you make your bunny's head.